Hi everyone, Dennis here, V1XT. Today I wanted to show you a new thing I bought on Amazon the other day. It's a cell phone signal booster from weboost, or it's the weboost brand. Used to be Wilson Electronics. And I bought this because we are going to be taking our camper trailer, or our travel trailer, whatever you want to call it, out to a piece of land that my parents own, and we're going to be parking it there for the summer. So we wanted to have some sort of reliable cell phone coverage while we were out there, because we have the two kids and everything there, of course. And so down by the lake at this particular spot, we can get one or two bars, generally just one, maybe on a good day where there's some additional propagation, we can get a couple bars. So we wanted to try to get some better signal. So we ordered this signal booster after doing a couple months worth of reviewing and trying to decide what I wanted to buy. I opted for this more expensive model, which if I recall correctly was somewhere around the $600 Canadian mark, and wanted to try this out rather than something from one of the Chinese manufacturers that might have been a fair bit cheaper. But these particular models are supposedly good for all carriers, all 3G, 4G, LTE, all that, which is the other thing I was looking for. So as you can see on the box, comes with a panel mount antenna, the indoor unit, as well as an indoor antenna. This particular model, the Home 4G, is supposedly good for about 1,500 square feet, which will more than cover our trailer as well as some of the surrounding area, so long as it can get outdoors. So we should be good. My parents also have a trailer there, so they're going to be able to use it as well, as it also claims it works with all cellular devices, boost signal for multiple cellular devices simultaneously. And so yeah, we'll unbox it, see what's inside, and see what we can find. And we'll take my trusty knife here, get the plastic off. And we'll take seal. And also, one of the good things about this device is they do boast a 2-year manufacturer warranty, so that should help as well. So let's put this up like this. Now we have the manual, one of the manuals, quick install guide. The actual manual here looks like we have pretty extensive manual. We'll take a further look through that later. A bunch of packing materials. Looks like a case. That's one part of the case for the antenna. Here's the panel mount antenna. It does come with a couple of suction cups, and hopefully we do plan on mounting this somewhere, possibly up in a tree or something like that, to get it a little further away. Here's the antenna that you put indoors, just a little multi-directional, omnidirectional tabletop antenna. Here's the meat of the unit. Looks pretty, actually it's not metal, it seems plastic, but seems okay. Protect your purchase. Your smartphone is the fastest way to register. Text a photo to 7, oh, okay. So you can get your warranty started by texting a photo of this device to that number. Okay. Now let's see what else we have in here. We have a power supply for the device, for the base unit, 5 volts, 4 amps. Here we have the brackets to mount the unit outdoors, a U-bolt for possibly a pole, and however else you want to mount it. And underneath of here we have the coax. We have a little pigtail here for something or other. And RG6 coax. Okay. Okay. And just a couple of... I thought those were maybe some stick-on pads or something, but they look like just cardboard pieces. We'll put those aside. Now, let's see what we have. It's a neat little cradle here for setting the unit in the device and suctioning it to a window or something, if you so please. There's the back half to cover the other side, I assume. And let's take a look at the quick start guide. Find the strongest signal. Window mount. So this just kind of shows how to mount it if you were to do it on the inside. And there's showing the connection to step number 4, showing the connection there to the antenna, power strip. Note. Okay. Let's have a look at panel antenna. So here's all the mounting options that we have here. We're definitely going to mount this outdoors, as it will provide a much better signal quality, and I can get it up into a tree. And it looks like you can probably, yeah, you can just test it by seeing what signal you get. And you can put it in, apparently you can put it into a test mode as well, which we'll have to figure out when we go ahead and put it up. But I do plan on making another video of this once I get a chance to actually use it. And here's what I was looking for as well. It looks like this small flat cable here is a window entry cable, so that's actually good, because I was hoping I wasn't going to have to mount or drill a hole through the side of the trailer or one of the windows or something to get that in. So if you can put that through the base of the window and then close the window down on top of it, then that would be really good. It looks like it's made to bend and flex, so that's a really interesting little addition there. And there's different multiple ways you can mount it. There's a bracket there, or a mount if you want to mount it on a pipe. There's with the U-bolt there and the angle bracket. And if you want to mount it onto a like a side of a building or something, it looks like you can have a bracket there that you can screw onto whatever surface you want to mount it to. They recommend a surge protector, and well, here's all the specifications, and it lists all the bands and all that stuff, and then of course we go on to French and Spanish as well. So for now, I think that's pretty much it. That's what we got in the box. A couple of brackets for mounting. Looks like there is a sticky pad, 3M sticky pad, some alcohol wipes. And the good thing with these, even if I don't use the U-bolt for mounting this, I'll have a spare one. And of course we got the cable made to go through the window, power supply, and the cute little antenna with a fair bit of coax on it here as well, which looks like we have a standard F connector for the antenna, but then we also have a smaller F-type sort of thing. I'm not sure what it's called on this side here for the indoor antenna. So luckily it's just a 29-foot travel trailer, so we don't have to worry too much about running long cables on the inside. So this should be plenty long. So anyways, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to creating another video in the future once we get this set up and using it. Thanks. 73.